my mark. 3, 2, 1, mark.
T-minus 9 minutes and counting.
The auto sequence has been initiated.
We will count down to the T-minus 5 minute mark, and if we have to hold it at that point without starting the orbiter's auxiliary power units. We have brought up the backup heaters for the flash evaporator supply and waiting for those heaters to come up. Again, launch controllers expect this to be a go condition, just waiting for the situation to the heaters to come up.
PLT, OTC, configure fuel cell essential bus source switches.
OTC, PLT, connect essential bus sources to fuel cell. OTC, PLT, complete.
Copy.
GLS is go for OAA retract.
The orbiter access crew arm is being retracted away from the vehicle and into the launch configuration. This arm can be extended in just a few seconds if necessary.
Okay, 5.4 times 10 to the minus 5th. Okay, STS out. JLPS, OTC, start APU and hydraulic strip chart recorders.
JLPS, recorder started.
T-minus 6 minutes, 30 seconds and counting.
PLT, OTC, perform APU pre-start.
OTC, PLT, APU pre-start and work.
Pilot Gregory has been given a go to perform all auxiliary power unit pre-start. Activation will come at the T-minus 5 minute mark.
Launch director, office manager.
Launch director, go ahead.
MMT has cleared all its constraints and you're cleared to continue the count.
I copy. Thank you. NTD, proceed on pass 5.
Okay, I'll copy that.
Go ahead, PLT.
OTC, PLT, APU pre-start complete, 3 gray talkbacks.
Copy.
GLS,
on.
yeah, let's go.
I just wanted to report to you that
Space Not Air to
we're
Ground 1.
planning on
Space Not Air to Ground 1, you're on the wrong channel. GLS, plan on continuing the count. Do not hold at 5.
GLS copies. The clock is going to continue to count.
Countdown will continue on to a 1:37 a.m. liftoff of mission STS-67. Correction, that will probably be 1:38. We did hold for just about a minute at the T-minus 9 minute mark. Coming up on APU start.
GLS is go for orbiter APU start.
PLT, OTC, perform APU start.
OTC, PLT, APU start and work.
CDR, OTC, reconfigure heaters.
Start. And OTC, CDI, heater reconfig is complete.
Copy.
T-minus 4 minutes, 30 seconds and counting. Ground launch sequencer has terminated liquid oxygen replenish to the external tank and is initiating lock strain back.
OTC, PLT, APU start complete, 3 high green.
Copy.
T-minus 4 minutes.
Yeah, let's go for purge sequence 4.
Final purge of the main engines is now underway. Main engine valves are being opened to prepare for engine start. Profile test of the orbiter's aero surfaces has started. Orbiter flight control surfaces are being moved through a pre-programmed pattern to verify they are ready for launch. The 3 main engines are being gimbaled and positioned for launch. All systems are go for launch at this time, just a few minutes away from the 8th voyage of Endeavour with a crew of 7 on the 16-day flight to study the invisible universe. T-minus 3 minutes and counting.
Yeah, let's go for EP LO2 pressurization.
The tank holding supercold liquid oxygen propellant used to power the main engine is being pressurized for flight.
Clear caution and warning memory and verify no unexpected errors. OTC, TLT in work. We have no unexpected errors. Copy.
Flight crew now getting ready for their first flight day for the 16-day mission.
Endeavour OTC, close and lock your visors. Make sure 802 flow, and good luck on your record-setting 16-day mission. Okay, we'll close in and start the flow. And in fact, Mr. Salonen is where Salonen knows his spaceship. And if Dr. Harley doesn't have a bag on yet, would you have to put it on now?
Yeah, let's go for EP LH2 pressurization.
T-minus 1 minute, 40 seconds and counting.
1 minute, 30 seconds.
1 minute, 30 seconds. All systems aboard Endeavour are go. Endeavour will be launched on an easterly trajectory on an orbit inclined 28.45 degrees to the equator. T-minus 1 minute. At the T-minus 31 second mark, Endeavour's onboard computers will have control of all vehicle functions.
Yeah, let's go for auto sequence start.
25.
T-minus 20 seconds. Thousands of gallons of water will be dumped onto the launch platform in the next few seconds. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. We have a go for main engine start. 4, 3, 2, 1. We have booster ignition and liftoff of Endeavour on a voyage to view the universe.
Houston now controlling.
Roll program, Houston.
Roger, roll, Endeavour. Roll maneuver underway aboard Endeavour. The vehicle's now in a heads-down position on course for a 28.5 degree orbit. Endeavour's engines have now throttled down as the orbiter passes through the area of maximum dynamic pressure on the vehicle in the lower atmosphere. Endeavour's already 2 miles downrange from the launch site. traveling more than 1,000 miles per hour.
Endeavour Houston, go at throttle up.
Roger, go, Houston.
The 3 liquid-fueled engines are back at full throttle aboard Endeavour. At the 1 minute 30-second mark, Endeavour is traveling 1,700 miles per hour. The altitude is 82,000 feet downrange from the launch site, 12 nautical miles. Standing by for burnout and separation of the twin solid rocket boosters. And SRB separation is confirmed aboard Endeavour at the 2 minute 15-second mark. The vehicle is at an altitude of 178,000 feet, downrange from the launch site, 38 nautical miles. Endeavour is now traveling 4,500 feet per second, or 3,000 miles per hour.
Performance nominal.
Roger, performance is nominal.
Endeavour Houston, 2-engine Ben Guerrier.
Engine down.
Performance thus far in the mission has been as expected. Endeavour can now reach Ben Guerir in Morocco in the event of a single engine failure. However, all 3 main engines are still performing at full throttle. The electrical systems are performing as expected, as are the hydraulic systems called APUs, or auxiliary power units, aboard the orbiter. Endeavour is now 75 nautical miles downrange from the Kennedy Space Center.